Welcome Cloud 4K to your very own custom vehicle build tutorial reserved just for you. Today I will demonstrate you the basics of your idea expectations and also explain various other properties. You have two choices, either pick a quick fast-paced storm-chasing vehicle or an interceptor, which I will describe more later. If you pick storm-chasing vehicle, you may be able to describe which template base of the vehicle you would like to use, maybe a 1990 Chevrolet, some kind of Honda, and you can give it modifications. You're also allowed to stamp decals somewhere on the vehicle or mention where decal SHOULDB. Remember to describe it all for me so I can make it as accurate as your idea was. Interceptors are heavily armored vehicles, which can cost a lot of money to make and build. An interceptor's goal is to drive into a tornado and use special mechanisms such as airbags, hydraulics, flaps, spikes, and much more. These assets allow a vehicle such as the TIV-2 to increase its max line threshold from 140 miles per hour to 190 or 210 miles per hour in under a span of 23 seconds. Other existing interceptors have different ways of deploying, but most of them are highly effective. Each interceptor will also need aerodynamics on your vehicle to make airflow around the vehicle more easier, which can reduce the motion and wind pushing onto the vehicle. Many interceptors are quite heavy, as some reach up to 16,000 pounds. You will need a lot of settings and properties correct to make a successful storm interceptor that will not lock to 150 miles per hour once minimum. Both classes of vehicles are recommended to have a mezzanette attached to them. A mezzanette is equipment likely strapped onto a pole near the back top of the vehicle. Mezzanettes have many types of equipment attached to them. The most recognized one is the wind measure trinket, which means you can determine the winds around the vehicle. Some vehicles purpose it to use a special radar to determine the winds of a tornado, which is a very important thing for convoys. But you will likely not be in a convoy of your own, which is a group of people who will chase together and cooperate as a team. And in the end, I wish that you bring me a pleasant response so I can finally please you and myself. And please, do not tell me you understood nothing from this video, otherwise I will end up doing some horrific things to your best friend August 3K. Goodbye.